The key fob for the Model S and X does not have any engraved pictograms for opening the doors or the trunk. It simply looks like a miniature, smooth toy car. The switches on the PCB are cleverly placed underneath the entire bodywork. You press the corresponding part of the miniature to activate the function in the real car. Click the hood of the toy, the front trunk, opens. Click the roof, you lock or unlock the doors. In the Model X, double-clicking the side doors of the fob physically raises the Falcon Wing doors. And now let's move on to the actual battery replacement in the Tesla Model X key fob. Take the key in your hand and use a screwdriver or a fingernail to pry off the back cover. Pry the battery up and remove it. It's a good idea to blow out and clean the battery socket. It uses a standard CR23543 volts battery. Insert the new battery into the socket with the writing facing up, just like in the video. You should hear a distinct click. Next, put the cover back on. That's it. Subscribe for more.